Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Coinbase to Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the sample steps. So basically the first thing would be is to start or to enable your crypto transfer in Robinhood. And here we are in the transfer or we are in the crypto transfer article in the Robinhood sports articles. And basically to be able or to be eligible to have to do some crypto transfers, you will need to verify your identity and add two-factor authentication. So basically in your account, you will need to add this measure of security by going to account and simply go to settings, and from here in security and privacy we will go to two-factor authentication. Make sure to add it, and after that complete the verification of your identity, and basically you can just have it in profile and then you can continue uh, verifying your profile, and after that you will be able to send and receive crypto in uh, from other brokers or wallets. And basically, you will be able to receive, you copy your copy address and paste the address to the sending wallet app. And basically, this sending wallet app in this case would be just Coinbase. So basically, you can just go to Coinbase and create your account and start uh, creating your wallet or having your wallet, and from there you can start transferring your crypto from Coinbase to Robinhood. And basically after that you copy your address or your wallet address, you will go just to the crypto place and you can start seeing your position or the crypto that you have, and by that you will be able to transfer from Coinbase to Robinhood. So thank you for watching and see you next time.